Okay, I'm at 321 East Malibu in Tempe. And as I approach the house, two things to say. First of all, a lot of space up front, so you have a feel of you're kind of off the road. Second thing is it's a really good location. You're close to the 60, you're close to the 101, and you're close to a lot of nice shops and amenities. Well, as you enter this property, take a look at how nice it looks as the light comes in, and you can see the tile floor here and how open it feels as we look in this open area. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take a look at this from this angle, and you can see how the living space up front kind of blends into the living space over here. And that's certainly nice. Well, let's take a look now at this kitchen. And the first thing you'll notice is how bright and airy it feels. You can see the light coming in. You can see the quality of the countertops, the quality of the cabinets, and you can also see this nice fridge here, which comes with the property, and kind of how it flows here. And now you can take a look and see how it would be if you were prepping your food and looking out front into the front of the house. And that's really, really nice. Okay, let's go out to the backyard. And the first thing you'll notice is this really nice, clean, and big pool. And I'm gonna go ahead and take a look at it from this angle. And then you have a real spacious area of grass over here. So a really good backyard, not to mention the covered patio. You can grill under the stars here. And we'll go ahead, I think, maybe take a look at it from this angle so you can really grasp the whole feel of the backyard. Okay, we're gonna go back into the property now, and we'll go through the kitchen again so you can see that. And we will go to this side of the property, and I'll show you what this side of the property has to offer. And I'll start off with the laundry room here. And it's a very spacious laundry room. And you have the washer dryer here, which comes with the property. So let's take a look at this room that's adjacent to it. And this is a very spacious room. Nice light coming in from the front of the property. And we'll take a look at it from this angle just so you can get a feel for it. And that is a nice upgraded fan as well. Okay, so I'm gonna walk through the property again, give you another angle of it. And this is the other side of the property. I just showed you bedroom A, and we'll call this a bedroom B here. And again, a nice fan here. And take a look at it from this angle here so you can get a feel for it. And now we'll go into, that's bedroom B. We'll take a look at bedroom C here. Again, nice light coming in. Take a look at it from this angle here so you can grasp it. And then we will go into the primary. Before we do that, here's the guest bathroom here. You've got your nice shower, upgraded, like, look at that little slider there, that's pretty cool. And we will go into the primary. Let's take a look at the primary now. And we will take a look at it from this angle here. And this is your primary bathroom. Again, a nice upgraded shower there for you. Well, that concludes the tour of this property. I appreciate you following along. If you have any questions you'd like to apply, go to rpmphoenixvalley.com. And I thank you, and I wish you a pleasant day or evening wherever you may be.